Okay, this is a small haul from Walmart that I had delivered, and I'm missing one item, and I gotta find out what happened to the cream cheese that I ordered for the bagels. I got cream cheese. I'm gonna have to make my own, I guess. Didn't want to, but I'm gonna have to, I guess. Okay, and then I got this small white bread, Sara Lee. I don't eat a lot of sandwiches, so I saw this small white bread, so I figured, well, I'll go on and give this a try. They didn't have the, they were out of Wonder Bread. Toilet paper. My green tea. I needed some more white vinegar, because, give you a tip, you put a cup and a half, or a half of a cup of white vinegar in your wash, depending on how large your load is. And that's a good way to sanitize your wash and to give it like a boost. That's like an old wives thing. Downy. I've never tried this fabric softener, but I've seen it on somebody else's haul video, and she likes it, and it's got lavender and vanilla, and I love that scent. If it's not too strong, then I'll be okay, but I want to use it on my sheets and towels and, you know, blankets and stuff, because that'll be good. Saltine crackers. Stomach medicine. Headache medicine. Melatonin to help me sleep. Got bananas. Got this thing of plain yogurt that I'm going to use to make some smoothies with. And probably put some strawberries I have frozen in there to eat. Tuna. Make sandwiches. Make tuna salad. And potato sticks. I've been wanting some potato sticks. And it's dented. It'll be alright. It's not a can. It's just paper thing. Cardboard. Anyway. I think that's it. But I'm missing my cream cheese spread. So I'm going to have to make some of that with the cream cheese. Really didn't want to. But, oh well. I have to find out what happened to it. But this is my small Walmart haul. Oh, and I got 2 things of ginger ale for my stomach. Yeah. And again, they put like plain this yogurt in a bag by itself. They could have put it in there with the boxes, but I guess they felt like it was cold. But, alright. I found the cream cheese spread. It fell out of the bag, and I didn't even see it. And they already issued me a refund for it. All I can do is try to make it right, because I do that. That'll bother me if I don't try to make it right. And tell them that I found it. Glad I found it, though. So this is what I wanted the strawberry cream cheese for. Was for my cinnamon swirl bagel. And Lily is begging for it. She can't have it.